am going to the market. I am going to the market. Use this when you are already moving toward the market. On the way. The action is happening right now, not planned for later. I am checking the prices. I am checking the prices. Use this when you are inside a shop and actively looking at price tags at this moment. I am standing in line. I am standing in line. Use this when you are physically in a queue, waiting right now. I am carrying a basket. I am carrying a basket. Use this when the basket is in your hand during shopping at this exact moment. I am looking for groceries. I am looking for groceries. Use this when you are inside the store and actively searching for items. I have made a shopping list. I have made a shopping list. When the list is already completed and ready before shopping starts. I have found a good deal. I have found a good deal. When you already discovered a discount and now it is available for use. I have picked up snacks. I have picked up snacks. When snacks are already in your cart and the action is finished. I have already paid. I have already paid. Use this after completing payment at the counter. I have finished shopping. I have finished shopping. When all shopping is complete and you are done. I was looking for vegetables. I was looking for vegetables. Use this when in the past you were searching inside the store at that time. I was comparing products. I was comparing products. When you were in the middle of comparing items in the past. I was waiting for my turn. I was waiting for my turn. Use this when you were standing in a queue earlier and waiting. I bought apples. I bought apples. When the purchase is already completed in the past. I chose the cheaper one. I chose the cheaper one. When you already made a decision during shopping in the past.
Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount? Use this when you are talking to a shopkeeper and trying to reduce the price.
Do you have this in blue?
Do you have this in blue?
When asking availability of a product in a shop. Where can I find rice?
Where can I find rice?
Use this when you are inside a store and asking for product location. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
When you want to know the price before buying something. Could you help me?
Could you help me?
When you need assistance from a shopkeeper or staff. I will buy this later. I will buy this later. When you decide in the moment that you will purchase something in the future, not now. I am looking at discounts. I am looking at discounts. When you are currently checking offers in the shop, I have checked the expiry date. I have checked the expiry date. Use this when you already verified product freshness before buying. I am choosing fruits. I am choosing fruits. When you are actively selecting items in the shop right now. I asked for the price. I asked for the price. When you already questioned the shopkeeper earlier.
I am paying by card. I am paying by card. When payment is happening at this moment. I have received the receipt. I have received the receipt. When the bill is already given after payment. I am packing my bags. I am packing my bags. When you are currently putting items into bags after shopping. I left the store. I left the store. Use this when you already exited the shop in the past. I am walking back home. I am walking back home. Use this when you are currently returning from the market. I have forgotten my wallet. I have forgotten my wallet. When you realize now that the wallet is missing. I was looking for the cashier. I was looking for the cashier. Use this when earlier you were trying to find the cashier. I was buying vegetables. I was buying vegetables. When you were in the middle of buying vegetables in the past. I compared the prices. I compared the prices. When you already finished comparing items. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. When your final choice is already done and fixed. I am asking for help. I am asking for help. I will come again tomorrow. I will come again tomorrow. I have bought everything I needed. I have bought everything I needed. I am checking my list. I am checking my list. I asked the shopkeeper for help. I asked the shopkeeper for help. I am taking items from the shelf. I am taking items from the shelf. I have selected everything. I have selected everything. I am moving toward the counter. I am moving toward the counter. I will check another store. I will check another store. I have found what I needed. I have found what I needed. I am waiting for my bill.
I am waiting for my bill. I was talking to the shopkeeper. I was talking to the shopkeeper. I have paid the total amount. I have paid the total amount. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. I have completed my shopping. I have completed my shopping.